Hi, today I'm going to do iHerb haul. I'm going to show you what I got on my recent iHerb haul. I've been buying from iHerb quite a lot, but somewhere along the way I stopped filming what I'm buying from iHerb. Because the it was kind of boring. Lots and lots of vitamins and stuff, so nothing really interesting. But this time I have some interesting products and I want to show you what I got. Now I don't have the iHerb package. I already throw it away. I already filmed this video, and unfortunately, when the next day after filming it, which was the day before yesterday, I filmed it the day before yesterday, and yesterday when I came to, copy the video from the camera's card, somehow, I don't know how it happened, it kind of got lost. So all the footage from that day just got lost, and I had to film everything, which is pretty annoying. So I don't have the package, so I already throw it. I didn't know that I will need to refilm. So I'm just going to show you what I got, and we can pretend there is a package here. iHerb package. I will insert here my affiliate code. You can use it if you want, and support my channel, help me buy more products to show you. And do let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see more iHerb hauls. I buy a lot from iHerb. Again, I buy a lot. I usually do not film my hauls anymore, but if you want to see, then do let me know, and there's no problem. I can always film them. I do it anyway. I just do it in front of my kids or my husband and just hold everything in front of them instead of in front of the camera. So do let me know, and please use my affiliate code. It helps me a lot. Just helps me to buy a bit more every time, if that makes any sense. Of course you don't have to. I'll just appreciate it if you do. I'm just have to start the video, so let's just get started right now. First thing, I bought 3 SPFs. One of them I already purchased in the past. This is from Baba Botanics. Botanics or Botanicals? Botanicals, sorry. This is the Clear Zinc Sunscreen SPF 30. Now, I bought it 2 years ago, I think. I couldn't really remember what I thought about it. Luckily for me, I wrote a review. So I read my review and I know that I loved it, so I thought, why not buy it again? There is another Baba Botanicals product that I really love, but it's out of stock for forever, and if I could have, I would bought that one, but it's really out of stock for such a long time. And now I have this one. This is supposed to be a clear mineral sunscreen. The only thing that I don't really like is the SPF 30. I do prefer SPF 50. This one has 16% zinc oxide. You can see it here. So this is the first product. This is paraben free, 100% zinc oxide active ingredients, water resistance, broad spectrum SPF 30, hypoallergenic. So this is a really nice product. I remember, well, I read the review and remember that I really enjoyed using it. Okay, next up is one that I don't know. First time I'm buying. I think I bought something from this company, Kiss My Face, in the past. I'm not really sure, but this product is the first time I'm buying. This is the Face Factor. This one has SPF of 50, and this one has only 12% of zinc oxide. So I don't know the connection between the percentage of zinc oxide to the SPF. I do know that if it's SPF 30, it means that you have protection for 30 minutes. If it's SPF 50, you have protection for 50 minutes. That's what I know. But and this is also a mineral sunscreen, if I haven't said that before, but I don't know why this is SPF 50 with 12% zinc oxide and this is SPF 30 with 16% zinc oxide. If you know, please let us all know in the comment section down below. Of course, I'll use them, I'll let you know. I am considering of doing just a sunscreens edition of, you know, usually for stuff I bought on iHerb, but not only. Let me know in the comment section down below if that sounds interesting. You know, summer is coming, approaching on us quicker than imaginable, and we need to stock our SPF, even though I use SPF also in the winter. Next up, this is really hyped. I've been seeing this all over internet, TikTok, I think. Nope, I didn't. I thought I held it upside down. This is from a Korean brand called Beauty of Joseon. This is Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics SPF 50 plus PA plus. I heard so many good things about this product and I thought, why not buy it? No, I didn't open it last time because I didn't have a knife. And I still do not have a knife, but I have scissors. So we can open it together and see how it looks like from the inside. Well, kind of disappointing. It's the same white packaging as the box. Of course, this is not a mineral sunscreen. Other than that, everything else is in Korean, so I don't know anything about it. If you do, then please let us know. I looked at the outside of the box. There's nothing in English except the SPF 50, so I don't think this is a mineral sunscreen, but I heard so many good reviews on it, so I thought I'll try it. Okay, last 3 items are makeup related. First of all, is kind of a repeat because I already bought this one in multiple colors. This is from Wet n Wild. This is their rose, I always forget the name, comforting lip color. This one is in the shade Biscotti. I hope it's biscotti anyways. So this is a new shade. I already have these in 2 shades. One is clear and one is a pink with sparkle on it. Let's see if I can find it here with all the makeup I have. Yeah, I found them. That was too easy. One is clear and one is pink with glitters. The clear is clear. So much shine is the clear one, and this one is soft and juicy. Soft and juicy is the pink with the glitters, sparkly one. The clear, I don't think I need to swatch, but you know what, let's swatch it just for the sake of swatching. But there is no shade, and the new shade again is Biscotti Mommy. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is a light pink. Of course, they're all very sheer. So this is the new one. Wait, this is the new shade. I hope you can see something. It's very light. This is the glittery pink and this is the clear. Obviously you can't really see anything with the clear, but these are the shades. This is the new one. They have a very mild scent of rose, very mild. I don't mind it, and I usually do not like rose scented products, so keep that in mind. It has a very mild scent of rose. I love these. I love this so much. This one, the glittery one, I took when I traveled to Bucharest. I used it all the time. It was in my pocket. I reapplied it over and over and over again. So this is definitely something that I like. The other two products are also Wet n Wild. I don't know, I was in a Wet n Wild crazy spot. I don't know. This is a brow product. It was in a box. I threw it away. This is the micro brow pencil in the shade brunette. So this is the spoolie. This is very small tip, micro point, and this is the shade brunette, supposed to be the shade. It looks a bit dark. I'm not really sure about the shade. This is not brunette. Okay, I'll try it. We'll see if I like it. The third Wet n Wild is a lipstick. Just a plain lipstick. This one is in the shade Cherry Frost 539A. This very flimsy packaging, but this is the shade. It is exactly what it says, Cherry Frost. Exactly Cherry Frost. Maybe we can pop it on. Existing Sephora shade. Well, it of course doesn't give this shade because it's mixed. I'm not a fan of the packaging, but the product itself feels very comfortable on the lips. Of course, I already have my beloved Sephora for the Sephora collection. This is number 8. I really like this. Really, really like it. And well, the shade looks, it added some cherryness to the shade of my lips. Matches my shirt even more. This is the swatch. Okay, so this is it. This is everything I got on this iHerb haul. Sorry that I don't have the packaging, but please use my affiliate code if you're shopping on iHerb. It will give you some discount off. You can also use the code on top of other codes. If you do that, I still get a very small commission, but it will help me a lot. So if you want, use it. If you don't want, don't use it, or use someone else's. But do use a code. It usually gives you more percentage off. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. This is the swatch of these two combined, if you were wondering. So like this video if you enjoyed it. I know I did, even though we had a bit of a rocky start, but I do like the products that I got so far, at least. Of course, I will come back and let you know what I think about them. Again, I am considering of doing a special episode for sunscreens. Let me know if that sounds interesting. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Join my family here on YouTube. I'm Karen, by the way. I don't know if I introduced myself at the beginning. I was just so excited to jump in and start. So I do hope you subscribe and like this video, and if you made it to the end, then thank you. It really helps me a lot, and I will catch you all in my next video.